So I'm going to show you how to round to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest 1,000. Firstly, this digit over here is called the unit. This digit over here is called the 10, and this digit calls the 100, and so forth. So let's say I want to round to the nearest 10. How would I do this? So the first thing I do is I draw a dotted line right after the 10, because this is the number I'm interested in. I'll draw a dotted line. And then I'll use a number after the dotted line to judge where I should go. Now, with a 0, you round downwards. So I'm going to keep the number the same. So 1, 2, 5, 8. Okay, I round downwards. So either it was going to be an 8 or it could have been a 9. Because I round downwards, I keep it at an 8. And everything after the line is a 0. Now, because it was a 0, you just keep it as a 0. Let's change it. If I want to do 100, this is my 100. I draw the dotted line after the 100. I look at the number after the line, which is the number 8. Now, with the number 8, I round up. So this 5, it could either stay at a 5 or it could go up to a 6. And because I'm rounding up with the number 8, now with the number 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to round upwards. Because I'm rounding up, this 5 changes to a 6. I keep the front numbers the same. So it's still 12, comma, blah, blah, blah. And everything after the dotted line is going to turn into a 0. So this is a 0. And this is a 0. And that is my new number. A lot of students make a mistake. They start writing that this to the nearest 100 is just 600. No, it's 12,600. You keep the number the same because you're either going to round down or you're going to round up. You're not changing the number. You're just estimating. It's kind of like just a rounding. Let me round to the nearest 10,000. Now the 10,000 is here. I put the dotted line. And because it's a 2, you're either going to keep it as a 1 or you're going to round up. Because it's a 2, I'm going to round down. So I'll keep it as a 1. And everything after the line turns into a 0. So this 2 turns into a 0. This 5 turns into a 0. This 8 turns into a 0. This is 0. And it's just going to be 10,000. Go to the link below for my free live lessons and free worksheets. Take care.